Hi guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can add ChatGPT in your website and mobile app. This person on Fiverr, his name is Satisfy. He will add ChatGPT in your website and mobile app. His link will be in the description. You can go here and see his packages and discuss with him. You can read here. He will add ChatGPT in your website and mobile application using Python and Node.js. So guys, if you want this, you can go here. You can read reviews about it, and you can get this service. As you can see, this person has bought his services. He given the review. So guys, get this service and integrate ChatGPT in your mobile and website.